Yo, what's good? As you guys, Los. Welcome back to my channel, Los TV. Today's episode, we are going to be replacing the entire latch assembly. As you can see right there, it's stuck closed. I can't even open it, it won't budge. So we're gonna be replacing the whole latch with a new latch, a new cylinder, the whole mechanism, all right, with the whole key, everything. We're gonna just tear that shit up, put on a new one, a whole different one. So we're gonna have to disassemble it and then install this bad boy right here, right? So without further ado, we're gonna get right into it, right? Let's get it. Alright guys, so here we go. We're about to get started. I'm gonna just go ahead and start from scratch and show you guys how I bust this shit open with a flathead. I know there's other ways to disassemble it and take it off, but I just wanna go ahead and do some other shit, you know, just fucking just bust in through the door. And we're just gonna pretty much get right to it because you can see it's stuck. So without further ado, let's get right into it right now. See if hopefully I can get this thing open. Fuck, you saw that shit? Alright, now I gotta keep the door open. Anyways, I'll probably fast forward through the talking, and so you guys can just see how I fuck it up and install a new one, alright? So let's get it, alright?
Weezy out of here, Weezy out of here, Weezy out of here, Weezy out of here.
Everything we do, we own. Fuck a cap, just hop off a jet. Woo! I wanna jet. But hop on a jet. I put that glow on the wrist. I got that glow on my bitch. I keep the drum on the tech. Pop out the color then, baby. Won't you tell me that you tried? Hop in a McLaren. Cheese, flesh, and spied. Hop in a McLaren. Baby, tell me why you staring. Yeah. I ran on jet. Way more smoother than plane, yeah. Way more quicker than a vet. Teach you how to flex like a train, yeah. That bitch out of my cat. Took out of school for the brain, yeah. She came around with the set. Now really ain't no saying. Gotta keep around on deck, set, check, off, X, tech, mix, stress, less. I live catless, status, atlas. I put up global. I get booked, don't write books, that's Barnes and Noble. Top 2 total. On the next top 2 logos. Bless, yes, she text Max right on my top 10. See you frequent in a place I done been. You come decent, then you leave looking bent. Got weight, we can dip. Fuck a cap, let's hop on a jet. I wanna jet, let's hop on a jet. I wanna jet. I put that glow on the wrist. I got that glow on my bitch. I keep the drum on the tech. Hop out the color then, baby. Won't you tell me that you tried? Hop in a McLaren. Cheese, flesh, and spied. Hop in a McLaren. Baby, tell me why you staring. Yes. Packing that Smith & Wesson when I crave. Having a big better Maybach in his glaze. Tell me why the fuck do you slave? Why you killing bitches with no grave? I got a back in her neck. Yeah, draw on the tag, engrave head rest. Just one of my wrist baguettes. You know I'm a vet. Hop on the jet with an A and a K and a 3-headed snake. Yeah, all of the coupes exotic and I'm ducked off with your bae. Yeah, I told you my niggas don't like you, you niggas get. Yeah, had to tell these little niggas my wrist and my ankle a lake. Yeah, had to tell them they bitch can come get on my shit and just skate. When I hop out the jet, I should go. When I hop out the jet, I wanna jet. I put that glow on the wrist. I got that glow on my bitch. I keep the drum on the tech. Hop out the color then, baby. Won't you tell me that you tried? Hop in a McLaren. Cheese, flesh, and spied. Hop in a McLaren. Baby, tell me why you staring. Yeah.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I've already been successful and I went ahead and disassembled the old latch, which is right here. As you can see, this shit was like not closing all the way. You see how the latch is just like right there, look, you see. It wasn't closing all the way and coming through the latch right here. So that's why we're replacing it. It's got a whole new handle, whole new assembly, whole new everything, right? So let's wrap it up. That's about it for now. This is just a small little episode for you guys to see how you can just take something apart and easily just replace it with, you can just replace it with a new mechanism, with a whole new. It's not difficult. Anybody can do this shit, you know? Most of my videos, if you pay attention, they're all simple things, you know? I don't really do like crazy shit. I could, but I'm just, you know, going day by day, and maybe some of you guys could pick up whatever I'm doing, or if I'm doing something wrong, then be like, hey, Los, you know, try doing it this way, or, you know, I'm not an egotistical person. I'm open to new ideas, I'm open to new methods, and if you can do it better than me, then shit, fuck it, let me know, you know? But anyways, that's about it. I'm gonna wrap it up. Thanks for guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for more videos. There are more videos on the way. So like, subscribe, share. Keep sharing all my shit. Keep liking all my shit. Subscribe to my channel and all that. You already know what's up. Los TV, Instagram 213Los_TV. Hit me up on Facebook too. Follow up with all my stories. All of that shit. All right. Peace out.